When we click on a channel, we log the information about it. But ideally we want to click on a channel and put the channel information on global state, on its own property and state. To do so, we'll first create a new function called change channel. We'll accept the channel that we're clicking on, and we want to fire an action when we call this function with the name setCurrentChannel, which takes the channel data and puts the channel data on global state. So we'll replace the console log within our display channels function with change channel, and we'll create this action where we're setting the current channel in our Redux state. So we'll first head to the types file in our actions folder, and first we created some user action types. Now we're going to create a set of channel action types. So our first channel action type will be given the same name of setCurrentChannel, and within our index, once again separate our user actions from our channel actions, since they'll be interacting with a different part of our global state. So we'll export a function called setCurrentChannel. We'll accept channel data, and it'll return an object with a type from action types of setCurrentChannel. Our payload will consist of a property called currentChannel, where we'll put the channel data on it. So within our reducers, we're going to create a new reducer. Instead of this user reducer, which put information on the user property of state, we're going to create a channel reducer for our channel data alone. We'll take the state and the action, and we'll set up some initial state. So we'll call this object initial channel state. Our initial channel state will consist of a current channel property set to null, so we'll have no channel selected initially, and we'll set our state as the default value. The initial channel is the default value of our state. We'll set up a switch statement. We're switching based on the type of the action, and in the case that we have the setCurrentChannel action type, we'll return an object in which we spread all the initial values of the state and only change the current channel property of it according to action.payload.currentChannel with the channel data that's coming in. I made one small error with the clear user case. We want to spread the state and not the initial user state. And in the default case for our channel reducer, we want to just return the state if we don't have a match for any case. We'll put the results of the channel reducer within combined reducers to a new property, channel. So all of our channel data will exist on this channel property of global state, and back within channels we can use our setCurrentChannel action. We just need to import the connect function from React Redux up at the top, then import the action that we want to use, setCurrentChannel. And since we're importing that up at the top, we also need to add connect and wrap our component with it. We'll set map state to props to null, and we'll destructure our action from map dispatch to props. So we'll save all of our files, and back in our app, if we take a look at our Redux state, take a look at our state object, you see that we have this new channel property with a subproperty of current channel set to null. And if we click on the channel, you can see that it's populated with our channel data. So we're putting our channel data now on global state. If we select the other channel that we have, we can see we get its channel data as well. So we're able to switch between channels and alternatively put the respective channel data on global state.